pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Garden.
There comes a time when you need to store your equipment or vehicle for months on end, and adding Stabil fuel stabilizer to your gas tank before you store will help you avoid heartache later, because fuel can break down in as little as 30 to 60 days, causing gum, varnish, and corrosion to build up in the fuel system. This buildup can lead to starting problems, poor performance, or reduced engine life. However, draining the fuel before storage is not the solution. Draining the fuel wastes expensive gasoline and is difficult to dispose of properly. Draining also exposes the bare metal in the tank and fuel system to air and moisture, which can cause rust and corrosion. This can also cause gaskets and seals to dry out and crack, leading to leaks when the system is refilled. Lastly, it is impossible to get
to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Garden.